Ravi's workplace was now clean and shining. But after a few weeks, old habits started to return. Some tools out of place, some dust on machines, order slowly fading away. That's when his supervisor said, "Ravi, to keep 5S alive, you must practice the fourth S, Standardize, Seiketsu. Make your new habits part of the system." Ravi created cleaning schedules, visual boards, and color codes for every section. Everyone followed the same system: daily, weekly, monthly. Standardization means turning discipline into habit. It ensures 5S doesn't fade. It becomes culture. If you believe systems build success, like this video, comment how you maintain standards, and subscribe to TUQC to watch the next S, sustain, Shitsuke.